So as you can see here, this person over here has over 22 orders in queue, and they're charging on average of $80 to $90 for a few custom-made posts. If we come over here, that works out to $1,980 that they have yet to be paid out, not to include what they've already made on that site. And in this Canva tutorial for beginners, I'm gonna show you how you can use Canva to make money online for absolutely free. I'm going to walk you through this step by step and show you bonus strategies that you can get started with today to make money on Canva. So make sure that you watch this entire video as we're starting right now. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Today, I'm going to show you how to make money with Canva. But before I get into Canva and give you the full Canva tutorial, first I would like you to go to Fiverr.com and I'm going to show you these simple gigs that anybody can do. But I'm not just going to show you how to do this with Fiverr. I'm going to show you how to do this with different platforms and how I'm doing it to make money with Canva. What you need to do is to come up here and type in Canva in the search bar and click search. It's going to bring you over to a page that looks like this. Under all results for Canva, you can scroll down and what you're going to find is all these different people that have gigs on Fiverr that are creating content using Canva. And you can do the exact same thing for absolutely free. So when you come over here, you can see that people are typing in like, I will design anything in Canva, and I will design Canva templates for your social media, and so on. If we open up this one over here, and if we open up this one over here as well, the first one says that it's around this amount of money, and the other one is a little bit more expensive than the first one. So if we come over here and we go to the first gig that we opened up over here, you can see that this person will create Canva templates for a beautiful feed. And as you can see here, this person has 22 orders in queue at the moment. We all know that not everybody leaves a review, and this person has hundreds of reviews already on their gig. If you take a look over here, the basic cost is around $50 for 40 post templates, and this can take you less than an hour to create. And I'm going to show you how simple that is. Now for the standard post, it's 80 templates at $90. And then premium is $135 for 120 posts. We note that this person has made a lot more, and you can come over here and you can actually see what type of post they're putting up. And sometimes you're gonna see a lot of these different quotes, and I'm gonna show you where you can get these quotes for free. So this is the first template that we wanted to have a look at, and you can scroll down here to see what platforms they're providing their services to. And you can guarantee that this person is making some really good money on Canva. And if you come over here and click on this gig over here, this is another person that's making money with Canva. And if you come over here, you can see what types of designs they are creating. And again, you can see that a lot of these people are doing these different types of quotes. And you can also see how often they're able to provide their designs or how long it takes. If you come over here, you can see what services this person is providing, and also some sample images as well. This is a really good way to get started to make money with Canva, because this is absolutely free, and I'm going to show you how to do this right now. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. When you come over to Canva, you can see that there is a pro version of Canva, but you can start doing this absolutely for free. And as for me, I am using the free version of Canva. So let's say if somebody wanted you to create something for them on Instagram. So you can come over here, and as you can see in this top row, you've got all these templates. And if you keep scrolling across, you'll find all other social media platforms as well. So if somebody wants an Instagram post, all you need to do is to come over here, click on Instagram, and you are going to see this blank canvas. And that's going to come up over here. Now I want to show you very quickly this Canva tutorial for beginners, and you can see how quickly this can be done, so you can start earning, and I'll show you a few more platforms that you can do this on, and another way you could potentially get a lot more customers, so pay close attention. Now when you come over here on Canva, you can see you've got a lot of these different tabs over here, and options for yourselves to create these different types of posts. When you come over here, you've got templates. Now let's say somebody has a dog grooming company, or they're into pets on Instagram, and they want you to make some posts about them. You can just come over here and you can type in dogs over here. And what you'll find are these different templates that you can use. And when you come over here, you can see these watermarks, which means some of the stuff is paid, but you can very easily delete this and add your own photo. So all you need to do is scroll down from the options and find exactly what you want to use from all these templates. For example, you wanted to use a blank canvas like this. What you can do is you can come over here to photos, and once you come over here to photos, you can very easily just come over here and type in dogs, and it's going to show you all these different photos over here that you can use. And then what you need to do is to find a photo that you'd like to use or think that stands out. So when you come over here, you can see this is a nice and big one over here, and that's standing out. So let's just click on that, and once you click that, it's going to bring it over here. Now you can resize this, and you can move it around as you can see here. You can just come over here and move that over here, so you can leave some space for your text, and that's one way of doing it. The other way of doing this is if you grab this and drag it here, it can also put it straight to the center, so it's all up to you. It all depends where you drop this file. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this out like this, and I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to turn this into a pretty cool Instagram post that you can use and you can start charging for. Once you've got this image over here, what you want to do is to come over here where it says text, and you can see that you've got all these different fonts that you can use on Canva. So let's say we wanted to use this font over here. You can just click on that, and as you can see, it's automatically going to bring that up over here. And then all you need to do is just delete any of this stuff that you don't need and type in dog training school. Now as you can see, this is obviously gone over. So all you need to do is just stretch this out. And the other thing that you can do is you can come over here and you can just tap that down, and you can see that you can make that smaller. And the other thing that you can do is you can come over here and you can space this out. If you do that, it's going to make that a little bit bigger, and then you can just move that to wherever you want it to be. You can also change the font, and you can also use a different color if you want. The other thing that you can do is click on this, because you might want to add a website or something else. So you just come over here and highlight that, and you can just bring this down to something that's a lot smaller. Then you can just put something like www.dogtraining.com, for example. Another thing that you can do that's really cool with Canva is you can put different backgrounds over here. So if you come over to this panel, you see you've got these elements over here. And once you click on any of the elements, all you need to do is to minimize this and drag this down here and just put it behind like that. As you can see, it didn't take us that long to create one of these very simple Canva graphic designs. And now you can sell this design to make money with Canva. Now to add a second graphic design, all you need to do is come over here and click on Add Page, and once you click that, you can come over here and create your second design, your third design, or your fourth design, depending on how many of these that you need to create, and depending on the order that you have. This is a very simple way for you to make money with Canva. So now that you've got your orders on Fiverr, you've created a gig, and you've started to get these orders, and you've started executing these orders. There are other platforms that you can sell these awesome looking designs like people per hour, and you can get gigs on people per hour. As you can see, if you type in Instagram post and you scroll down, you're going to find people that are looking for someone to create these different types of designs using Canva. The other site that I went to was this one over here called Upwork.com, and I typed in Canva. When you scroll down here, you can find people that have made tens of thousands of dollars using Canva. And over here, another Canva expert, and some of them are making $40,000 or $30,000, and they're making some really good money online with Canva. Now when we're looking through Fiverr over here, we can see that a lot of these posts that these people were making have all these awesome looking quotes. So if you come over to a site called brainyquote.com, this is where you can get inspiration for all these different quotes that you can use with Canva. So when you're looking at doing these different posts, this is really going to help you. If you come over to popular topics like motivational, for example, and if you click on this, that's going to give you all these different motivational quotes that you can put inside the different types of designs that you're creating on Canva. So this is an awesome way of making money with Canva, you guys. And by selling these types of gigs, you can definitely make money with Canva by using their services. And that's it! Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next videos.